Okay, now we are starting the question number 2 of 14.3. In this question, the diagram shows triangle P on a coordinate grid, and then we need to copy the grid, then draw the image of a triangle P after each translation. So this is a triangle that is on a grid, and the triangle is P triangle, and what we need to do, we have to translate it 3 and 2 times, 2 and minus 2 times, minus 1 and 3 times, then minus 2 and minus 1 times, and using A, B, C, D as a column vector. So we need to shift it according to the column vector. We need to translate it. So what we need to do, 3 times the positive and 2 times is also positive. So 3 times of right side we have to move it, and the 2 times upward direction. So this point, and this point we are dragging 3 times right. So now we are dragging this point. How many times? 3 times right. 1, 2 and 3. This is 3 times right and 2 times up from this place. 1 and 2. So this must be the translated point of A. Then we have this, then we are translating this point 3 times right, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 times up, 1 and 2. So if this point is B, then it will be B dash. Then we have to translate this point 3 times right, 1, 2, and 3, and 2 times in upper direction, 1 and 2. So it's mean we have to join all of these points to make a translated shape. If this is A, B and C, then it will be A dash, B dash and C dash. So we have just translated this figure by using the column vector 3 and 2. Now we have a column vector minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 means we have to drag our point 2 times on a left side, 2 times on a left side, and 1 time in downward direction. So if we have this point, this one. So we have to drag this point how many times? 2 times left, 1 and 2, 2 times left and 1 time down. So this point I have dragged at this point. If this is A, this must be A dash. Now we have to drag this point 2 times of the left, 2 times of the left, 1 and 2 and 1 time down. So this will be the translated point. If this is B, that will be the B dash. Then this point is 2 times of the left, 1 and 2 and 1 time down. So this must be the translated shape. It must be here. So we have translated this shape, this place to this place. Then we have third column vector, and we need to drag this triangle by using 1 time of left and 3 times of upward direction. So if this is point and then we are dragging it 1 time left, then it will be this, and in upward direction 3 times. From this point we are moving upward 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Then we have to drag this point. This point we have to drag 1 time left, 1 time left, and then we are dragging it 3 times up. 1, 2 and 3. Then we have this point 1 time left and 3 times up. 1, 2 and 3. Then we are joining all of these points to get the translated figure of triangle P. Then we have the last one. And the last one is minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 means 2 times left in one time upward direction. So if we are translating this point two times of the left, that will be 1 and 2, and then we have to move one time in upward direction. So this must be the point. Then we have this point must be shifted to two times of the left, 1 and 2, and then we have to move one time up. Then this will be the translated point here. Then we have this point, and this point is having two times of the left, 1 and 2, and one time up. So this must be the point 1, 2, and 3 that is translated from the original triangle P. So it will be like this. So it will be like this. It is a translated shape. So we have done all of these triangle over there. Then how can we translate by using the different type of the column vector? So in the A part, we have translated triangle P from this place to this place. Then we have this to this. Then we have this to this. And then we have this to this. So we have just dragged it by using the translation and by using the column vector.